In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing address on Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, if you're logged into your Amazon account, you'll want to look toward the top bar of the page. Here, you should see your account name. Go ahead and click on that. This step will take you into your account settings. Once you click on your account, you'll be presented with a variety of options. What you want to find is the Your Payments section, which might also be labeled as Payment Options. Navigate to this area and give it a click. This is where all your payment-related settings are managed, including your billing address. Now, in this section, you'll see a list of your available payment methods. You should see different credit or debit cards listed that you have previously used for your purchases. Here's where you can choose the card for which you'd like to update the billing address. Just click on the specific card you want to edit. After selecting your card, look for the Edit button. This is your gateway to updating your information. Clicking Edit will give you access to change your billing address details. Be sure to enter the new address accurately. It's crucial that all information is correct to avoid any issues with future transactions. Once you've updated everything, don't forget to save your changes. Now, while you're in the Your Payments section, if you notice any payment-related issues you need to address, they can typically be found here. It's a good idea to take a moment and review everything, just to ensure that all your information is current and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully changed your billing address on Amazon. This can come in handy, especially if you move to a new place or decide to use a different billing method. It's always great to keep your information up to date to avoid any hiccups when you're purchasing items. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just remember to log back into your account and navigate back to your payments. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If you have any questions or if something doesn't seem to work quite right, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Your shopping experience on Amazon should be smooth and hassle-free, and knowing how to manage your account is a big part of that. Thank you for watching today's video on how to change your billing address on Amazon. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support helps us continue to create content that can make online shopping a breeze. Happy shopping, everyone!